Nature is not calm. It's not predictable. And it definitely doesn't follow human logic. Hidden in forests, oceans, deserts, and even your own backyard are animals capable of things so strange, so extreme, that they sound like science fiction. But every fact you're about to hear is real, proven, and happening right now on planet Earth. By the time we reach the final fact, you may never look at the animal kingdom the same way again. Number 10. There is an animal that can live without its head. When a cockroach loses its head, it doesn't immediately die. It can survive for days, sometimes weeks, until it eventually starves. That's because it doesn't rely on its brain to breathe. Air enters its body through tiny holes along its sides, and basic body functions are controlled by nerve clusters spread throughout its body. For a creature so small, its survival system is shockingly advanced. What seems fragile is, in reality, incredibly resilient. Number 9. Some animals can see colors humans can't even imagine. While humans see 3 primary color channels, mantis shrimp can see far more. Their eyes detect wavelengths of light that are invisible to us, including ultraviolet and polarized light. The world they experience is richer, deeper, and more complex than anything we can perceive. To them, the ocean is painted in colors that don't even have names. Number 8. There is a jellyfish that can escape death. The immortal jellyfish has a unique ability. When it is injured, stressed, or aging, it can reverse its life cycle, transforming back into its juvenile form instead of dying. It essentially resets itself and starts life all over again. In theory, if nothing kills it, this jellyfish could live forever. In a world where death is the rule, it found a loophole. Number 7. Some frogs freeze solid and come back to life. During winter, certain frogs allow their bodies to freeze completely. Their hearts stop, their blood stops flowing, ice forms inside their bodies. Then, when temperatures rise, they thaw and resume life as if nothing happened. They don't fight the cold, they surrender to it and survive. Number 6. There is a bird that sleeps while flying. Frigate birds can stay airborne for weeks at a time. While flying, they shut down half of their brain to sleep, then switch sides. This allows them to rest without ever landing on water, which could be dangerous for them. Imagine sleeping while soaring thousands of feet above the ocean, trusting instinct to keep you alive. Number 5. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 of their hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses copper instead of iron to carry oxygen, which works better in cold, low-oxygen environments. Even more incredible, each arm can act independently, capable of sensing and reacting on its own. An octopus doesn't think with its brain, it thinks with its entire body. Number 4. Some animals can regenerate entire body parts. Axolotls can regrow limbs, spinal cords, parts of their hearts, and even sections of their brains without scarring. The regenerated parts function perfectly, as if nothing was ever lost. For humans, injury leaves a mark. For them, it's just a temporary inconvenience. Number 3. There are animals that don't drink water, ever. Kangaroo rats survive their entire lives in dry deserts without taking a single sip of water. They extract all the moisture they need from the food they eat, and their kidneys are so efficient they produce almost no waste. In a place designed to kill the unprepared, they thrive effortlessly. Number 2. A shrimp can create a shock wave hotter than the sun's surface. The pistol shrimp snaps its claw so fast it creates a bubble that collapses with explosive force. That collapse produces a flash of light and temperatures that briefly rival the surface of the sun. This tiny animal doesn't punch, it detonates. Number 1. There is an animal that can survive in space. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, crushing pressure, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions become unbearable, they shut down almost completely, entering a state where life barely registers. Years later, they can reawaken as if nothing happened. When the world ends, they might still be here. The animal kingdom is not gentle, it is not simple, it is endlessly creative. Every adaptation you've heard today is a reminder that life doesn't survive by being comfortable, it survives by being extraordinary. And somewhere out there, right now, an animal is doing something even stranger, waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey into nature's madness, stay curious, because reality, when it comes to animals, is always wilder than fiction.